In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. We begin by visiting the Hostinger website, where your first step is to bring your ideas online by logging in or registering. Once you are on the Hostinger homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the various options available to you before proceeding further. After arriving at the Hostinger site, the next action to take is accessing your personal account. Look for the option labelled My Account on the homepage. Clicking on My Account will transition you to the personalized dashboard where you can manage your various hosting projects and settings. This account dashboard is often the gateway to more advanced features, so spending a few seconds ensuring everything is in order can be very helpful. Once your account settings are in view, navigate to the main homepage of Hostinger. This step is key as the homepage offers a comprehensive overview of your hosting services and project management tools. As you land on the Hostinger homepage, you will notice several important sections that provide access to everything from billing information to technical tools. From the homepage, it is essential to locate and click on the website section. This area is specifically designed for managing your websites. Within website, you will then want to select the option to view the website list. Here you can see all the domains and sites you have hosted with Hostinger, making it easy to choose the one you want to work on during this session. After selecting the website list, the next step involves moving on to the tools required for editing. Click on Tools to reveal additional options that help manage and edit your website. Among these tools you will find the File Manager, which is the control panel that gives you direct access to the file system of your website. Once inside the File Manager, look for the option to either access files or access all files. This choice allows you to view all the files associated with your website, ensuring that nothing is left out and that you have complete control over every aspect of your site's code. This part of the process is crucial because you are now one step closer to editing your website's files directly. When you have successfully accessed all files in the File Manager, locate and click on the Public HTML folder. This folder is standard for most websites and houses the files that are publicly visible on the internet. By entering the Public HTML section, you are now able to view the full list of code files that are part of your website. The final stage of this tutorial is selecting the specific file you want to edit. Browse through the files in the public HTML directory and choose the one you intend to modify. It is important to take a moment to confirm that you have chosen the right file because this is where your website's code is stored. Once the correct file is located, you can proceed with your intended modifications, ensuring your website reflects your latest changes and ideas. This guided process provides you with a clear path to modifying your website code through Hostinger's intuitive interface. By following these steps carefully, you will be able to manage and update your website efficiently and with confidence. Enjoy the editing process and have a productive session updating your site's code.